Hey, Travis and Lacey. This is Jessica and Kirsten from Peterson SEO. And we understand that you're looking at doing a website for your guided hunting tours. And so we're just going to show you a couple important things that you need to make sure that you're doing when you build that website. A website alone is not going to get you found. There's a lot of other aspects to it that you need to look at. And so one of the things that you're going to need to do if you haven't already is you need to set up your Google My Business page, um, the Google Maps. You need to set up this page. You need to have it fully optimized. You need a bunch of geotagged photographs. Uh, you're going to need to get a bunch of 5-star reviews. And one of the biggest things with this, not only is your website, but is something called Citations, which is going to be the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yellow Pages, Facebook, and Yelp. You need to have a lot more than the top of your competition in Nebraska. And social media pages, things like that are also going to be important for you guys. So going over here, when I did a search for Nebraska tours, this is the first in organics, um, Double D Trophy Outfitter. So here's their website. It is kind of a basic website. It's okay. Um, they've got a little bit of content. But they don't have a whole lot going on here. So the rule of thumb for your website, especially your homepage, is that Google wants to see 150 words for every buyer intent keyword that you're targeting. And they are using some good keywords in here. And I don't know which type of hunting you're targeting, but you definitely want things like Nebraska turkey hunting or deer hunting or whitetail or blacktail, that kind of thing. And Google doesn't rank based on how the website looks. They actually have crawlers that are little robots that go and index all of your pages based on the content on those pages. So you definitely want to have a lot of content. You want to have a lot more than any of these competing outfitters. Um, if you do a variety of different hunts, you definitely want to have a separate page for each so that you can be targeting those keywords. Um, so yeah, that's gonna be really critical for you guys so that Google can actually find you. Um, Here's something else that I found. I don't know if you know of it, but you can actually list your hunts here, and people that are looking for different hunting things can actually come here and find you guys as well. So this is another resource for you guys. Um, sorry, this is a program we use to show how a website is performing. And your top organic competitor here, his domain rating is only a 2.2 out of 100. Um, and his homepage is a 28. And that's because of his backlinks. All of his backlinks look like they're going towards his homepage, which isn't ideal. And because the domain rating is so low, it says that a lot of these backlinks are pretty junky and spammy. You're going to need search engine optimization for what you're doing. And that includes getting backlinks. And you're going to need a lot of backlinks. You're going to need more than your competitors. And they're not all created equal. So you need backlinks that are authoritative. high ranking backlinks so that you can get the boost that you need. Um, because they have a bunch of pages and they're focused on a bunch of keywords, they have 500 keywords and they're getting 418 in traffic, but those are not um, all the traffic they're getting is not all for buying. Um, they're they're trying to drive a lot of traffic, but unfortunately, the traffic that they're bringing to their website, something like Nebraska hunting season, this is great, it's informational, but that's not going to convert into customers. So a lot of his keywords are like that. So just getting people to your site is not going to convert them into booking with you guys. So you need to use, have a good keyword strategy so that the people that you're getting to the site are probably going to want to book um, one of your guided tours. So keywords are important. There is pretty good search volume. Um, so you just want to make sure you're using the right keywords and that you're using them on all of your pages. And then what a backlink is, as I mentioned, they're not all created equal. So it's really important that the websites that are connecting to you are of high authority and high ranking. Google likes it because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant it is to your website, the more it's going to boost you. But what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. And so it's really, really important that you're getting the right type of links. Most of these links look like they're pretty much garbage. So you're going to need better links, and you need to make sure they're do follow links, because a do follow link will actually share the power of those higher ranking sites and help you to boost faster in your rankings. And these are closely tied to your keywords and your content. So you need to make sure that you have these backlinks going to your keywords on each of your pages. So going back to here where we started. So this section here gets about 30% on average of traffic, and the other 70% truly is your website and being found. So if you're not here, you're missing out on 30% of your traffic. But if you don't have a website, you're missing out on quite a bit of possible bookings. So it's really important that you take all three of these steps that I've shown you today. And if you do and get that website built, you can be number one on Google for the Nebraska guided hunting. Um, so you can either do this yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. We're just giving you a little bit of help here. However, if you guys would like help getting this stuff done, getting that website built, and doing your search engine optimization, go ahead and reach out to Kirsten or myself, or give us a call and we can schedule a time to chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.